Hello students, in previous PPT we all have studied about the sum of product expression and product of sum expressions. Now I think you all have revised it very attentively, and now we are proceeding with some examples of it, how we are going to solve it. And students, pay attention here, this syllabus is not going to come in your half yearly, okay, this will be in finals as it is for your 12th also, so pay attention towards it, okay. Now see, their first state commutative law, prove it with the help of truth table. Now we have to prove what in Boolean expression you have studied about commutative laws in exam, in half yearly exam students, only laws, only definition and their example is going to come, okay, not the proving will come, only the laws, okay. So pay attention towards it. Commutative law states that a plus b dot c is equal to a plus b and a plus c, okay. So how it has been proved with the help of truth table. Three variables are here sorry, the truth table of three variables here, a b c. In a 4 times 0 1, b 0 0 1 1 and c here. Now b not dot c, what will be 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0, and here 2 1 is there, then it will be 1 0 0, and here 0 and here 0, and where there is 1 it is 1. Now we will do that. B dot c will be the a plus, okay. Now we are going to use AND operator here, sorry, OR operator here. Now what will we do? We will do b dot c, where there will be 1, a single 1 is also there. If single is true, then we are going to put 1. Here is 1, here is 0, but we will put 1. Here also 1, we will put 1. Here we will compare 1 and 0. Here will be 1, means this is true and this is false, okay. 0 is your false and 1 is true, and we have this. Now we are what going to do? Now we will find out a plus b and a plus c separately. A plus b, here a plus b 0 0 0 1 will be 1, okay. 0 and 1 plus means 0 plus 1 will be 1, 0 plus 1 will be 1, here 1, here we have got a plus here, and here a plus c, here we will compare it with here, means 0 plus 1 will be 1, 0 plus 1 sorry, 0 plus 1 will be here, okay. 0 plus 1 will 0 plus 0 will be here 0, okay. We are doing the a and c. Now this is going to, now we will use here dot and we will compare it with this, okay. A plus b and a plus c. 0 0 will be 0, 0 1 will be 0, because here it is both the conditions should be true, okay. Then in dot both the conditions should be true. Now 0 1 will be 0, 1 0 will be also 0, 1 1 will be 1, and like that all the ones will be 1. So we will compare it, a plus b dot c and a plus b dot a plus c, see both are equal. So it has been proved that this is your commutative law, it states that, hence this has been proved, okay. Now see, this is your board questions, it has been come in ICSE 2018. Now next, here convert the following Boolean expression into canonical pause, means product of sum. We have to do it in the product of sum. See, the expression has been given here, x plus yz dot x plus, now expression is there, conversion into canonical pause. Now what we are going to do, we will complement, where there is complement we will put here x, y is missing, here x is missing, here also missing, z is missing, okay. Now what we will do, x plus y z dot z x, and here what is missing, x is missing, okay. X plus x, whatever the variable here, z variable is missing and here x variable missing. So in previous we have learned that the variable which is missing, we will do that x plus the variable and its complement. So we have done here the variable, here z and z its complement, here x and its complement, okay. Now we will do here x plus y complement plus, if z plus z complement is there, then the value will be z only. Okay, now see how it has been done. It has been with the help of distributive law it has been distributed. Now the what will the expression final come, the expression which is 2 times it will be eliminated, means which expression is 2 times, we will see that. Okay, the expression which comes 2 times it will be eliminated from the here. Okay, now see our final expressions will be this, our final canonical expressions was will be this. Now write the dual of the following. Dual means, what is the dual? Dual means the opposite of it, the reverse of it. Duality, you are learn about the principle of duality. Okay, see what is there. Dual means of a dot b, a naught plus b and 1 plus b, means the sign will change, not the complement. Dual means 0 will 1 become 1 and plus will become dot. Okay, now for the complement, see here the complement of the expression, just complement means just reverse of it, the expression. See it is how it has been done. It's all the questions of 2018. And here how the expressions we are going to solve with the help of Boolean law. See a dot a naught b plus dot c naught a plus b, how it has been solved with the help of Boolean laws. Now this in this we convert the following SOP expression into corresponding product of sum, means we have to change the SOP expression into POS expression. This is your SOP expressions, and we are going to get binary value of 0, O complement means 0 0 0, here all the three will be 0, here 1 is, here will be 0 0 1, here 0 1 1 and here 0 1, oh sorry 1 0 1. Okay, so for the min term designation we will see that it will come m0 m1, the binary value of 0 1 1 is 3, m3 and m5. So our min term designation will be this, and max term will be just reverse of it, because it is 3 variables, so it will be till 7, m2 m4 m6, and the binary pattern of it will be 0 1 0, the just the 1 0 0 1 1 0 and plus 1 1 1, just reverse of it. Now by writing the binary value pattern of the zeros and 1, we will see the expression will come 0 plus v complement plus w. See the reverse will be there and all the value variables will be written like this. Now see students, there is a question, this type of questions comes in your board. Okay, in this pay attention towards the question. The passenger is allotted a window seat is an aircraft. You satisfy the criteria given below. See the criteria, all the 3 criteria should be there. Okay, the passenger is below 15 years and is accompanied by an adult, or the passenger is a lady, is not accompanied by an adult. The passenger is below 15 years but is traveling for the first time. In all the 3 criteria, 1 criteria should be true. Okay, so our inputs are there are 4 variables a, c, l, f. The first input says the passenger is below 15 years of age, the second is the passenger is accompanied by an adult, and third one is the passenger is lady and the passenger is traveling for the first time. Now what we have to do in all the above cases, 1 indicates yes and 0 indicates no. Okay, now output, what will be outputted? Denotes the passenger is allotted a window seat. 1 indicates yes and 0 indicates no. Now what we have to do, how it has been allotted with the window seat. See the 3 criteria are there. If the passenger is below 15 years and is accompanied by an adult, then he is going to allot a, then he is or she is going to get a window seat. Or the passenger is a lady and is not accompanied by an adult, then also she is going to get a window seat. And the passenger is not below 15 years but is traveling for the first time, then also he is going to get a window seat. Now see the truth table of the output has been given here. See how the truth table has been here 0 0, and now we have to do here min term expression, because for the in the question you have seen it was written if there is yes then 1 and if there is no then 0. So that it is, student, that you have to be attentive, that understand that it is swap expression, because for the yes it is 1 and for the no it is 0. And if it is given that for the yes it is 0 and for the no it is 1, that means it is a product of some expressions. So here where the condition is true, this is your output. Where the condition is true, we have got that term. Okay, for the all the four A, C, L, F means A naught, C naught, L naught and F is there. Okay, C means where there is 0 it is not. Now this is our SOP expression for this. Okay, now see how we have find out all the expressions we have to write here. Now like that, here is also the second example. So pay attention towards this, students. Here also 1 indicates yes and 0 indicates no. For all the cases it means it is also your SOP expressions. See here, these are your outputs, whatever the criteria is given here. Here are the inputs and these 3 criteria should be true. Okay, now see here the truth table has been given, and where it is term, it is min term expressions, and this is your SOP expressions. So students, please go through the PPT very attentively, because what you are studying, it is of your class 12th standard and it is also in 11th, and you have to pay attention here. Be attentive for this. Okay, these Boolean covers your 70% syllabus in the class 12th and 11th also. Okay, I'll send PDF of this PPT.